You are watching Travel World Online.
Good morning. This is Suman from Travel World Online Newsroom. News highlights of the day. IHG surpasses 7,000 hotel milestone as Q1 revenue per available room climbs 4.4% amid surge in business travel. Shillong Airport's 500 crore rupee runway expansion to anchor Meghalaya's global tourism ambitions. Vietjet forges strategic alliances with GMR and Bird Group to revolutionize Indo-Vietnam connectivity. WHO monitors deadly hantavirus outbreak aboard expedition cruise ship MV Hondias. Hyatt hits the fast lane in China. Mega deal with Dawson Group to launch Hyatt Select. Now, news in detail. IHG Hotels and Resorts is proving that business travel is back in a big way. The group just released its Q1 results and the numbers are ahead of expectations. Here is Travel World Online's deep dive into the IHG expansion. IHG is hitting major milestones. Global RevPAR is up 4.4%, fueled by a massive recovery in Greater China and EMEAA. But the real story is who is traveling. Group and business travel are now the primary engines of growth, far outperforming the leisure segment. The group's footprint has officially surpassed 7,000 hotels, with 82 new properties opening in the first quarter alone. Big news for the Northeast today. Meghalaya is finally taking flight as a major aviation hub. The centre has greenlit a massive 500 crore rupee expansion for Shillong Airport. Here's the breakdown. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma confirmed the contract is officially awarded to KCC Buildcon. The mission? Extend the runway to 2,400 meters and upgrade the terminal to handle heavy hitters like the Airbus A320. Currently, Umroi Airport only supports smaller ATR aircraft. With 18 lakh tourists already visiting last year, direct jet connectivity is expected to double that footprint. Vietjet isn't just flying to India anymore, they're helping build it. In a historic ceremony attended by Vietnamese President To Lam, the airline has teamed up with GMR and Bird Group. This is aviation diplomacy at its peak. Vietjet is doubling down on India. The low-cost giant has signed strategic pacts with GMR Airports and Bird Group to overhaul aviation infrastructure and services. With GMR, the focus is on smart airports and logistics. First Vice Chairman Din Viet Phung says this is a new era, and the numbers back it up. Vietjet already connects Vietnam to 5 major Indian hubs: Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad and Bengaluru. By integrating with local giants, Vietjet is securing its position as the primary bridge between Southeast Asia and the Indian subcontinent. It's a 360-degree approach to the fastest growing aviation market. A luxury expedition turned into a medical emergency in the South Atlantic. The WHO is tracking a deadly cluster of hantavirus infections aboard the MV Hondias. An international rescue mission is now underway. Here is the latest. The MV Hondias is now at the center of a global health investigation. 8 cases of the rare Andes hantavirus have been confirmed among the 147 people on board. 3 passengers have tragically died. Authorities believe the infection started in South America before the ship set sail. What makes this critical is the strain, the Andes virus, which can spread between humans in confined spaces. The ship has now reached Tenerife. Passengers are being evacuated in sealed vehicles for repatriation flights. The WHO maintains the global risk is low, but it's a stark reminder for the travel industry. Hyatt is making a massive move in China. The global hotel giant has just signed a master franchise deal with Dawson Group to bring Hyatt Select to mainland China's middle class. It's a strategy built for speed and scale. Through a new partnership with Huanyue International, part of the Dawson Group, Hyatt will exclusively develop the Hyatt Select brand across the mainland. Dawson Group already manages over 3,500 hotels. Hyatt Select aims to capture the modern traveler, offering fresh designs and 24/7 markets. Greater China President Stephen Ho says Dawson's tech-driven approach is the key to this expansion. As guest expectations in China become more sophisticated, Hyatt is betting that an internationally recognized name, backed by local operational power, will be the winning formula. Expect to see the Hyatt Select logo popping up very soon. That's all in this news bulletins. For latest news, views and travel trade news updates, keep watching Travel World Online. Signing off,
You are watching Travel World Online.